The Illinois Steel Bridge Company was an American manufacturer of bridges based in Jacksonville, Illinois. It is credited as builder of a number of bridges and other structures that are listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Works include, with variations in attribution, Duncan Mills Bridge, W of Havanna, Lewistown, Illinois, Illinois Steel Bridge Co., NRHP-listed, 3rd Street Bridge, Waverly, Iowa, Illinois Steel Bridge Co., NRHP-listed, State Highway 27 Bridge at the Guadalupe River, US 87.13 miles, S of junction, with US 183, Cuero, Texas, Illinois Steel Bridge Company, NRHP-listed, State Highway 71 Bridge at the Colorado River, TX 71.8 miles E of junction, with FM 609, Grange, Texas, Illinois Steel Bridge Company, AL, NRHP-listed, State Highway 78 Bridge at the Red River, OK 78, across the Red River at the OKTX state line, Ravenna, Texas and Ravenna, Oklahoma, Illinois Steel Bridge Company, AL, NRHP-listed, War Eagle Bridge, carries County Route 98 over War Eagle Creek, War Eagle, Arkansas, Illinois Steel Bridge Co., NRHP-listed,